Hi everyone, got a rough sketch or concept? Today, let me show you how to create a realistic AI renders from sketches using the Prome AI. Let's get started. First, head over to promeai.com and select the Sketch to Render tool. Upload a hand-drawn sketch or concept draft. It could be simple with just lines. Then choose a render style. The Prome AI can offer interior product designs, 3D or architectural realism, which matches your vision. Then just render the strength. The low keeps more the sketch. High lets you AI be more creative than hit generate. Then, wait for the transformation. Preview the result and make adjustment if needed. And once you're satisfied, just click download. And that's it. You've just turned your sketch into a stunning AI render with Chrome AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.